Origin and consignor information can be found on page 2. There's 2 ways to put information into both the origin and consignor. First, you can type out the first name, last name, business name, address, city, zip code, and phone number. Or, if your address book is connected with full addresses and phone numbers, you can simply touch the address book and go and find the individual. Business name is not always known, however. Simply putting NA will work. On down is the current state and area status. Here you can see the different classes and area statuses for both tuberculosis and brucellosis. Consignor information, if the same as above, click the same as above, and we'll pre-fill the information down below. If there is an email address, once submitted, the CVI will send an email to the email address provided in both the origin and the consignor information.